So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Face ID failing after iOS 18.3.1 update. So many users complained that after the recent update, Face ID failed to work on their iPhone. So let's see how you can fix this issue. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, scroll down. Here tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now here, scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. After this, turn off this toggle. Now go back, scroll up and here tap on Reset Face ID. Once done, go back to home screen and now force restart your iPhone. For this, press volume up button, then press volume down button and then press and hold this power button. Like this. Keep holding the power button. Release the power button once you see this Apple logo. Now once your phone restarts, unlock it. After this, set up Face ID again. For this, open the settings app. Now scroll down. Here tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter the passcode. Now here tap on Setup Face ID. Tap on Get Started and then set up the Face ID. Once done, tap on the Done button. Now here scroll down and then tap on Stolen Device Protection. Enable this toggle. And now this should fix the issue. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.